Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today is crafting therapy and I am going to be showing you a Dollar Tree haul, and then we're going to create a gift basket for 5 children. It's a special one. They have a new baby in their house, and so I wanted to bring the kids something, and while we oogle and ah over the baby. Anyway, so excited about this family's new addition, precious little girl. And I thought you might enjoy a gift basket. I haven't put one together in a long time. So let's look at what I purchased. Not all of it goes in the gift basket, but let's look at that, and then we will put together the basket. All right, so I did go to Dollar Tree mainly to pick up things for the gift basket. This is a special little thing we're doing. So I'm going to show you everything, and then I'm going to show you, I'll separate it as I pull it out of the bags, and we'll see how I put this all together. Well, anyway, so I did get some bows. They had some new fun bows at Dollar Tree for Christmas, a lot of Christmas. And guess who's here? It's Hondo. Say hi, Hondos. I'm going to say hi to everybody. Oh, he says, hi, everybody. I want to be on camera. You're gonna help today? Okay, you're going to help. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Anyway, this is a real pretty one. They had this one. It feels like a brushed velvet almost. And it is the gold version, or champagne, I would say. And then they had a more silver version. These are not necessarily for the gift basket. And then they did have a red and I believe a green one. So this store had a lot. I hadn't been to this Dollar Tree in quite some time. If you're in Oklahoma, it is the Glenpool location by Walmart. All right, so fun for the kiddos. I did get them some little headbands. They seem to enjoy these. So I'm going to show you what they had at Dollar Tree. Some of them I believe they've had before. They had the little Santa hat. Oh, you can't see it. Little Santa hat. And then they had the deer. The red sequin reindeer. The snowman. And the Christmas trees. I think they're perfect. I need to see if I have any personally. I don't know if I do. I also found a couple of little DIY projects. This is the snowman. So you can paint with markers. That is for the gift bag or basket. I did find some, this is Jet Puffed Candy Canes, marshmallow flavored. Okay, I have to taste this. I want to make some little gift teas and things like that, and hot chocolate. Wouldn't this be good with hot chocolate? I have to taste it. So we'll taste it before I make the gift basket. That's not for the gift basket. That was personal, and so are the nerds. Okay, they did have the light bulb, like a candy pop. I got 3. I got 2 for the gift basket, and I got 1 for the kids' church little treasure chest. Then they had some fun, they call them wall decals. I use them in my journals. I don't know about you guys, but I use them in my projects more than on a window or anything. But they are window decoration. This one is the baking one. And this one is just your more Christmassy, country Christmas maybe. So that is that. Then guess what I found? A really thick book. All right, does anyone else go to Dollar Tree and look at the books to see if they have wide spines? I do. So I found that one. Very nice spine on that one. All right, tissue paper. They had some fun tissue, and I need it for my basket. So we're just going Christmas themed. It's okay. All right, their dad, big dots lover, and this is the holiday dots, and it's cherry and green apple, lime and strawberry. So it's a double So they have red on top and green on the bottom, and then green on top and red on the bottom. So I'm not sure which is which, but he likes these. So those will go in there as well for Dad. All right, so I did get one for the treasure chest. Kids love that. And then they had a Peppermint Crunch Junior Mints. So did get this one, and I think I will put it in the gift basket. All right. You can see I'm spoiling them, kind of rotten, but that's okay. All right. The lights are out, Christmas decoration wise. So got those. And then I did get one more of the little clear white. These are the little fairy type lights. I do have some lights, but I always seem to not have what I'm looking for when I go to look for it. Does that make sense? All right. They have their little plushies out. I got a penguin and a snowman. Aren't they cute? And then I got a reindeer. And this little snowman plays a song. Well, let's see. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Anyway, I don't want to get dinged for music, so. Then Nutcracker. I thought that would be fun to put in there. I don't know if they collect them, but a lot of people do, and that's kind of a fun thing, right? And then look at this cute little bucket. It is dashing through the snow with a little red truck with the Christmas tree. How cute! I should put everything in these for this season, but I only got one. So we'll see if I need it. I don't think I will, but we'll see if I need it for the gift basket. All right, peppermint bark gift basket. Andy's gift basket. Okay. Then I did get one more bag, and they had these launcher cars. That's going in the treasure chest. They also had Smartie candy canes. I have to try these too. I have to try them. Do you like Smarties? My son loves Smarties. That's the candy that he will give in for, Smarties. All right, they had sour gummy snowflakes. Oh, here's the other little kit for the painting the candy canes. Here is the other pop. Light bulb pop. They had some body spray and lotion. This is a cherry blossom. We'll put that in the treasure chest. Then they had a candy bar crunch. This is actually like chapstick. I just thought that was too cute. They also, okay, who remembers these huge sweet tarts? I used to love these things. I think they were a little bit bigger, but anyway, they get one, I get one, and one goes in the treasure chest. Double bubble. Okay, so mini gummy food. I'm always looking for unique things. Okay, this is a crystal bath bomb. So I got the purple. Isn't that cute? Looks like a geode. I also got a word search and a make a face sticker book. Oh, that would be a fun activity. And then here's the snowman painter. It's like a, oh, it's one of the, you know, snow globe, you know, shake them up, but it's not, you know, it's wooden. Anyway. All right, so here is a mocha latte lip balm. Cute. That's treasure chest. Leo and Joy got some Temptations. This is Catnip Fever. They had Mountain Dew lip balm. Cute. I haven't tasted it. I'm not a Mountain Dew fan, but it sounds fun. All right, they have a mirror. Look at the size of this thing. That is so cool. Okay, so, ooh, one is magnifying. Pretty cool. They had two colors. They had a blue and this lilac purple. So, cute for a stocking stuffer. All right, all right. Then I did get my son some Smarties. He likes these giant ones, so that's a special treat for him. Then the other light bulb little top, some chocolate chip cookies, Famous Amos, and some Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno Crunchy. All right. Oh, I missed a couple things. Then for the treasure chest, these stretchy little breakfast sandwiches or whatever sandwiches. They're really cute. They're kind of fun to play with. And then there was a Sour Patch lip balm. These are great for stocking stuffers if you're looking, because they will be great. All right, so let me go ahead and straighten up my table so that we can put together the gift